What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because today we're diving deep into something truly extraordinary, the 1946 Chevrolet Custom Pickup, a masterpiece that perfectly blends post-war American heritage with modern craftsmanship and luxury. This isn't just a truck, it's a symbol of an era reborn, a rolling piece of art that captures the spirit of innovation and style like never before. So buckle up, because this is going to be one unforgettable ride through time, design, and pure automotive perfection. Let's start with where it all began. The year was 1946. America was just stepping out of World War II. Factories were shifting from military production back to civilian manufacturing, and the automobile industry was roaring back to life. Chevrolet was ready to redefine what a pickup truck could be. The 1946 Chevy pickup wasn't just transportation, it was a workhorse built with pride, reliability, and timeless American steel. Every curve, every line, every chrome accent carried the story of a nation rebuilding itself with determination and style. Fast forward to today, and we have the 1946 Chevrolet Custom Pickup, a meticulously restored and modified version that transforms a piece of history into a luxurious dream machine. This isn't your average classic truck. It's been reimagined from the ground up, fusing old school design with cutting-edge performance and modern comfort. From its gleaming handcrafted body to its powerful modern engine, this pickup embodies the perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation. Take a moment to appreciate that exterior. The design language of the 1946 Chevy was already iconic. Those rounded fenders, the bold front grille, the smooth steel panels, and in this custom version, everything has been elevated to perfection. The paint job is flawless, layered in a deep, lustrous metallic tone that dances with the light. Under the soft glow of the showroom, it looks like liquid metal, reflecting every curve with precision. The chrome detailing on the bumpers, mirrors, and grille sparkles like jewelry. Every inch of this truck whispers luxury while still staying true to its rugged roots. Now let's talk about performance, because this custom build isn't just for show. It's got power that matches its presence. Beneath that sculpted hood lies a modern LS V8 engine, delivering jaw-dropping horsepower and torque that make this classic truck perform like a modern sports car. The transmission has been upgraded to a smooth, responsive automatic, giving you effortless control whether you're cruising down the boulevard or hitting the highway. Suspension and braking systems have been completely modernized too, ensuring a ride that's as refined as it is thrilling. It's the perfect marriage between classic style and modern-day engineering excellence. But step inside, and that's where you'll really understand why this custom pickup is so special. The interior has been completely reimagined. Soft, hand-stitched leather seats, a custom dash with digital gauges that glow elegantly, and a premium sound system that wraps you in crystal-clear audio. Every surface, from the steering wheel to the door panels, has been crafted with attention to detail. You can see the artisan touch everywhere. The polished wood accents, the precision stitching, the smooth chrome trim. It's a cabin that feels like a luxury lounge but still gives you that nostalgic vintage aura. And let's not forget about the small details that make a big impact. Custom billet pedals, LED accent lighting that glows subtly under the dash, air conditioning that keeps the cabin cool even on the hottest days, and push-button ignition that brings this vintage legend to life with just a touch. This is what happens when history meets craftsmanship. Every click, every switch, every sound feels premium, like this truck was made not just to drive, but to be admired. The 1946 Chevrolet Custom Pickup is more than just a restored vehicle. It's a statement. It's for those who understand that true luxury isn't about what's new, it's about what's timeless. It's for the collectors, the dreamers, the enthusiasts who appreciate the story behind every bolt and weld. This truck represents the rebirth of American design, where heritage and modern artistry meet to create something truly unforgettable. Now imagine pulling up in this beauty. The roar of the engine turning heads, the gleam of chrome catching every eye, the reflection of city lights bouncing off that flawless paint. You're not just driving a vehicle, you're commanding attention. This is the kind of truck that makes people stop and stare, that brings photographers running, that steals the spotlight anywhere it goes. It's the definition of presence. But beyond the glamour and the horsepower, there's something deeper about this pickup. It carries a soul, the soul of an era when things were built to last, when craftsmanship meant something, when vehicles were extensions of the people who drove them. Every time you slide behind that wheel, you're connecting with history. You're feeling the legacy of American engineering and the passion of those who refused to let beauty fade with time. That's why the 1946 Chevrolet Custom Pickup is so much more than metal and machinery. It's emotion, it's art, it's heritage reborn. It's a testament to what happens when classic design meets modern imagination. For collectors, it's a dream come true. For enthusiasts, it's the holy grail. Now, here's the thing, these kinds of builds don't come cheap. We're talking about hundreds of hours of craftsmanship, rare components, and premium upgrades that push the limits of what restoration can achieve. The result? A truck that could easily fetch six figures at high-end auctions or private sales. And honestly, when you see it in person, you understand why. It's perfection on wheels. Every panel aligned, every curve polished, every element tuned for excellence. It's the kind of vehicle that bridges generations, classic enough to honor the past, yet modern enough to lead the future. When you drive it, you're not just driving a custom pickup, you're driving history with horsepower. So if you're someone who values rarity, authenticity, and style, the 1946 Chevrolet Custom Pickup deserves a place on your dream list. It's proof that time can't dull true beauty. It only makes it more valuable. And seeing one up close is a reminder that in a world full of mass-produced machines, true craftsmanship still stands out. And that's the magic of this masterpiece. A truck that reminds us where we came from and shows us how far we can go when passion meets perfection. The 1946 Chevrolet Custom Pickup isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, a story, and a statement of excellence that transcends time. So, what do you think? Would you want to own this stunning piece of automotive history? Let me know down in the comments. And if you loved this deep dive into one of the most beautiful custom classics ever built, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing rides, stories, and automotive treasures from around the world. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep driving with passion, and remember, legends never die, they just get restored. This is the 1946 Chevrolet Custom Pickup, where timeless design meets modern luxury. Stay tuned, because the next ride is going to be even more epic.